Took time to understand this, more time than I expected. I used to measure distance like it proved something. How far I could go, how much I could change. I thought movement meant growth, thought staying meant fear. Now I see it differently. It was never that simple. This is where I stand now, not trapped, not defined, carrying where I'm from without leaving myself behind. This is where I stand now, between open roads and home. I don't have to choose one side to know where I belong. Shaped my balance, the world tested my weight. Both left their mark on me, neither owns my name. I don't romanticize the shoreline, I don't reject it either. It's part of how I move, part of how I speak. This is where I stand now, grounded without staying still. Some never come back, some keep searching for a place that feels exact.